Hey guys, this is just a quick tutorial for 5 minutes. We have the target is how to make a very quick product card for fashion brand. So let's begin with from this is the Figma tool. The Figma tool I'm using. You can also use the other tool. You can use Sketch, but I would it's completely up to you. Whatever the tools you're using, the command stays same. So let's begin with this making a card, which is you will select your rectangle from here. You will then you can set the custom values. I will go with 300. This is your thing. If you want to make it smooth, and then I would recommend to use the 6 pixels or 4 pixels radius. I would say 4 pixel is enough. Now here, this is your card. So this is your card, which you will not probably notice it, but I'll show you. You can select any color, and then you have an image. This is the area where you will put your image. On the image, you can just keep it like this for now. Here, now I will show you how to make a nice card. So by this, you need to whenever you are making a product card, just make sure you keep your this radius, these two borders radius should be 0, so it looks like a combined product card. Now for example, this is the area where we will place an image. For example, I will just quickly gather the image. This is the image. You will paste the image here. You will select the layer. For example, if you notice here, you will select 2 layers, and the image should be on top of the box, and then you can simply mask it. So if you mask it, you will see it here. Now this is your proportion, and now you need to fit it as according to the box. So for example, this is our box look like. We will just go here and then select it, or we can just completely select it from here, and then you will do this. So this is your image. Now the challenge will be, we will have the brand name. You can just simply select T, or you can directly select the text from here. You will just press T, and then here you will say brand name. It can be a brand name. Now what you need to do, you need to make sure that padding on the right and the left should be central, very balanced. I would say 30 pixels, 1 to 3, then again 30 pixels, 1 to 3. So there are now, for example, if you notice here, we have 30. In order to check it how I am measuring 30 pixels here and here, if you are using MacBook, it's very simple. You just press Command and Option and select the text, and then you can hover over it, and then it will tell you the proper dimension. You have the brand name, and then you also have product name. So for example, we will say white long dress for summer. Yeah. So this is your title, and this is your brand name, and then you can open this, and then you can select the style however you want it. If it's a brand, we don't need to focus so much on the brand, so as the title is more important. You can select your paddings. I would say 10. So, and then this might be, I will make it bold, and I would say let's not keep it like this. We will just go with a simple name. This is your long dress, and then here we will have the pricing. So we'll just say $120.50, for example, if there is anything. Please make sure that you're using the same padding, which is roughly here. Again, you will press Command and Option on your laptop again, and then you can measure it. Each layer you need to select, you can just simply measure it by pressing them. So from here, that's the simple tutorial, and then you can see it's a 26, right? So 26 means you will increase to 1 2 3 4, and then here you will see this is 30 pixels, and if I click here, I have 30 pixels, and if I want to see it, it's also 30 pixels. This is the simplest tutorials you can use. And again, here I would recommend 3 pixels. Sorry, you have to. I wouldn't recommend to go with this gray background. You will just do this, and maybe if you are using a drop shadow, you can just simply make this 34. I personally like it 30, and then make this 0, and then make sure you're using this value, which is less than that. And this is how you actually create your card. That's it. Thank you very much.